Gardening is one of those passions that constantly teaches us something new. Whether you're just planting your very first basil in a pot, or you've been tending to a backyard food forest for years, there are always little shortcuts, tricks, and creative solutions that make the process easier and more rewarding. Here at Soil Sage Chronicles, I love sharing not only what works for me, but also the practical hacks that help save time, improve plant health, and bring bigger harvests without unnecessary stress. Today, I'm diving into 15 gardening hacks every gardener should know, tested, beginner-friendly, and useful enough to impress even seasoned growers. One gardener's waste is another gardener's treasure. Coffee grounds often tossed out are rich in nitrogen and organic matter. Simply sprinkle used grounds around nitrogen-hungry plants like tomatoes, peppers, or leafy greens. They improve soil structure, invite earthworms, and even help deter slugs. Just avoid piling them on too thick. Mixing them lightly into the top layer of soil is enough. Instead of discarding eggshells, crush them into tiny pieces and scatter them around your garden beds. They release calcium as they break down, preventing problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. I also like to line transplant holes with a pinch of powdered eggshells for an extra nutrient boost right where roots need it most. Banana peels, onion skins, vegetable ends, all of these can be turned into a powerful homemade fertilizer. Fill a bucket with water, toss in your scraps, and let it sit for a few days. The nutrient-rich tea that forms can be poured directly at the base of your plants. It's sustainable, free, and gives your soil a quick shot of minerals. If you're not mulching, you're missing out on one of the simplest ways to transform your garden. A layer of organic mulch, whether straw, leaves, or grass clippings, locks in soil moisture, keeps weeds down, and creates a steady stream of nutrients as it decomposes. Think of it as a protective blanket for your plants, helping them thrive even in dry spells. This one surprised me when I first tried it. Cinnamon has natural antifungal properties. Sprinkle a little on the soil surface of seedlings or cuttings to prevent damping off disease, one of the most frustrating issues for new gardeners. It's safe, natural, and sitting right in your spice cabinet. If you've ever eaten an orange or grapefruit and wondered what to do with the peel, here's a hack. Hollow it out slightly, poke a drainage hole in the bottom, and use it as a biodegradable seed starting pot. Once the seedling is ready, peel and all can be transplanted into the soil, where it breaks down and nourishes the roots. Gardens love natural rainwater. It's free from chlorine and often softer than tap water. Set up a simple rain barrel or even use buckets to collect runoff from your roof. Not only does this save on water bills, but plants truly respond better to this natural hydration source. Pairing the right plants together is a hack every gardener should embrace. Basil next to tomatoes boosts flavor and repels pests, while marigolds deter nematodes when planted near beans or squash. By mixing crops, you're essentially designing a self-protecting system where plants support one another naturally. Don't let thirsty plants suffer in the summer heat. Take a plastic bottle, poke small holes in the sides, and bury it near the roots with just the top sticking out. Fill it with water and let it slowly drip feed your plants. It's a lifesaver during vacations or dry spells and a clever way to reuse bottles. Weeds are the gardener's eternal battle, but you don't always need chemicals to fight them. A spray bottle filled with vinegar can quickly wilt young weeds. Just be careful. Vinegar doesn't discriminate, so keep the spray away from your veggies and flowers. It works best on pathways or between paving stones where weeds sneak in. No garden thrives without pollinators. By planting nectar-rich flowers like lavender, sunflowers, or zinnias alongside your vegetables, you create a magnet for bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects. The more pollinators you attract, the bigger and better your harvests will be. This isn't just a hack, it's the secret engine behind a productive garden. Nothing slows down gardening like dull or rusty tools. A simple fix is to fill a bucket with sand and mix in a little vegetable oil. After using your tools, stick them in the sand. It cleans, sharpens, and prevents rust all at once. You'll save money on replacements and always have tools ready to go.